Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can do your facials at home without visiting the spa. The first thing you'll be doing is to cleanse your face. You can use any facial soap of your choice, but I will be using my organic black soap that I made myself. If you want a perfect result, I will advise you to use the African black soap as your facial cleanser. African black soap fades black spots, pigmentations and acne, and it is life-free. The next step now is to clean off the facial soap. You can simply rinse it with water or use your facial wipes to clean it off. I will be using my facial pad and water. After that, pat your face dry using a face towel. The next step now is using a face toner to cleanse your face. If you have a sensitive skin, you can just simply use rose water. Here I am using the Babyface facial cleanser. After that, we'll be scrubbing our face. You can use any mild scrub you would prefer, but I will be using the XPC charcoal facial and body scrub. You can simply use a sugar scrub or a coffee scrub. Massage your face for at least 5 minutes. You can fast forward the process by using a facial massager just like the one I'm using right now. After massaging, wait for another 5 minutes before rinsing off with water. You can use a facial wipes, but I will be using my facial pad and water. After that, pat your face dry using a face towel. The next step now is applying the clay marks on your face. You can use any marks of your choice. You can use mud marks, but I will be using my kaolin clay, turmeric and green tea handmade clay marks. I'm going to be sharing the tutorial very soon on this channel. The next part now is massaging your face again. You can simply use your hand to massage your face in a circular motion, or you can use a massager. After massaging, wait for another 10 minutes before rinsing it off with water, but I will be using my facial pad and water. The next step is patting your face dry with a face towel. The next step now is massaging your face with your facial oil. You can use your vitamin C serum or vitamin E oil in massaging your face, but I will be using my aloe vera oil in massaging my face. After massaging, clean the excess oil off and then apply your moisturizer or your facial cream. If you want a very beautiful skin, spotless, poreless, blemish-free face, do this every week. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.